So, nandito na tayo sa next topic, which is the solving quadratic equations using completing the square. So, paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation using completing the square? Una nyong gagawin is move this constant term sa kabila. So, magiging x squared plus 4x, and then maglalagay kayo ng isang line dyan. And then, positive 3 magiging negative 3 na, and then isang line pa ulit. And then, gagawa kayo ng perfect square trinomial, b over 2 squared. Ayan yung formula. Yung ilalagay nyo dito, ito yung formula. Yung b natin dyan, 4. So, 4 over 2 squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2 raised to 2. 2 squared. That is 4. So, 4 yung ilalagay natin dyan sa dalawang line. And then, ito, i-transform nyo into square of binomial. So, pag transform mo yan sa square of binomial, that is x plus 2 squared. And then, ito naman, negative 3 plus 4, 1. And then, dito, i-apply natin yung diniscuss ko last week, which is the extracting the square root. So, square root both side lang natin. Square root both side. Cancel. So, ang matitira na lang is x plus 2 is equals to positive, negative, square root ng 1, 1. And then, separate na lang. X plus 2, yung positive 1 muna, 1. And then, yung negative 1 naman. X plus 2, negative 1. Transpose sa kabila. So, magiging dito is x is equals to 1 and then minus 2. And then dito naman, magiging negative 1, positive 2, magiging negative 2. 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. So, yun yung sagot dyan. And then dito naman, negative 1 and negative 2, same sign. So, ipag-add nyo and then keep the sign. So, negative 3. Next example, we have x squared plus 8x plus 12 is equals to 0. Sabi ko kanina, constant, ibalibag sa kabila. So, we have x squared plus 8x, maglalagay ng line dyan. Positive 12, magiging negative 12. And then, line dyan. And then, gagawin nyo tong perfect square trinomial. Ang formula nun is b over 2 squared. B natin is 8. 2 squared. 8 over 2 is 4. Naka-squared. And then 4 squared. 16. Yan yung ilalagay natin sa dalawang line. And then, gagawin nyo naman to. Ito, gagawin yung square of binomial. So, pag ginawa mo yung square of binomial, that is x plus 4 squared. Negative 12 plus 16, 4. Extracting the square root, cancel. So, x plus 4 is equals to positive and negative. Square root ng 4, 2. Separate nyo. X plus 4 is equals to 2. Positive muna. And then yung negative naman dito. Transpose parehas. Magiging 2 and then negative 4. Dito naman is negative 2 and negative 4. 2 minus 4. Negative 2. So, ito na yung sagot dyan. And then dito naman, same sign. Pag-add and then keep the sign. So, that is negative 6. So, ganyan lang kadali mag-solve ng quadratic equations using completing the square. Thank you.